Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest. So you will need to have both accounts, that is for Pinterest and for your Etsy shop. Now, you will come at the top here. So you notice here, I'm on my Pinterest, I've logged in. You notice we have all the details here. And then when I come to my Etsy, you notice I am also logged in, and then we have all these details here. Now, to connect or to link your Etsy shop to your Pinterest, you now come to your Etsy shop. You notice here I'm on my Etsy shop. And in case you don't have an account, you will simply go to etsy.com, and then at the top here, you click on sign in. And then in case you don't have an account, you'll click on register at the top there. Then you'll continue with Etsy and register. And then you'll continue by answering these questions on Etsy. What brings you to Etsy? I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Then you can click on next. And then is there anything you'd like help with? So you can select either maybe you want help on deciding on what to sell, shop naming, selling online, taking photos of items, getting discovered in search. Whichever help that you need, you select one. In case you don't need any help, you skip this question. You click on that down there. And then now you click on start your shop down here, so that now you'll have your Etsy shop here. You can name your shop at the top here. You can set your shop language, the shop country here. Then you also set the currency. You notice you can set the currency here. If you want it to be US dollars, the location for Etsy shop, then you can choose the language there, and then you click on save and continue. And then you can enter your shop name here. This is where you put the details about your shop. And you'll do this up to the end. And finally, you will have created your Etsy shop account. In case you don't have a Pinterest account, you'll also do the same. You'll go to Pinterest. You simply register an account again using your password and then your email. So back here now, so to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest, you simply come to your Pinterest, and then on the top right corner, you'll notice we have notifications, we have messages, we have your profile, and then we have a drop down arrow. You'll click on that arrow, and then you'll come down here and click on settings. Now under settings, you'll come to the left hand side. We need to do two things here. If you click on claimed accounts, you notice there's nothing to claim down here. So you'll go to account management. And the reason we are going to account management is so that we can convert our Pinterest account to a business account. Now, to convert our account to a business account on Pinterest, you'll come down here. You notice you have account management. Then at the top here, you have account management, your email, password, and then we have convert to a business account. So you notice with a business account, you'll have access to tools like ads and analytics to grow your business on Pinterest. So you'll click on convert account. And then you notice the difference between personal and business account. For instance, in a personal account, you don't have ads manager, you don't have insights and analytics, and you don't have credits and offers, but they are all available for the business plan. So you click on upgrade, and this is for free. You click on that, and then you build your profile here. You give your business name here. I call this Joe Fashions. Then do you have a website? I don't. Then country of residence, you change here depending on your country of residence, and then you choose the language here. Currently mine is set to English, which is okay. Click on next, and then you select one here. What is your industry? I'll click on design and art. Then what are your goals? Is it to sell more products? Yes. To generate more leads to your business? Yes. Grow brand awareness? Yes. So you select the ones that best describe you, and you only select 3. After that, you click on next, and then again you answer this question. You describe your business. Are you a blogger, consumer good and product or services? You just select the one that describes you, and then you click on next. And then you can now check if you'll be interested in running ads on Pinterest. I'll click on yes, I'm interested. and then down here you click on next. And then now with that, you notice it takes us to the onboarding, and we are now on the business hub of our pin interest. So now that we have that, we are going to come back to our settings here at the top. And then you notice now for the settings, we have business access is now business manager and can now be found in the business drop down menu. So we are going to click on settings again. And then now we will come to the left hand side. You notice we can still edit this further now. We can add the pronouns, we can choose the country code, we can add our addresses here, and then we can click on save. But then at the top left corner here, you now click on claimed accounts. And you now notice here we have an account that has been added here. Initially, we only had websites. And now you notice our Shopify has been added here. Now, this may be different depending on where you are accessing this one from, because if you're currently in my region, I don't have access to the ones that I wanted to add here, but you notice because I've now created a business account, I have Shopify added here. Now, in your case, depending on your country, you will also have Etsy and so many other accounts added here. In that case, what will you do? You'll have maybe Etsy down here. I'll now demonstrate that using Shopify. You'll simply find Etsy here and then install app and all that. So you are going to click on install app. That is for now your Etsy. And the same procedure I'm using on this is the same procedure that you'll use on that. So you'll click on install here. And then you'll choose your account. Now the account that you want to link may be on your account. In this case, because I'm linking Shopify, I'm just going to use any of the Shopify account here. But in your case, you'll be having Etsy at the top here. You click on that, and then you click on add account. And then you'll put your password here. And when that will be successful, if you'll come back to your Etsy and click at your profile here at the top, and then go to account settings, and then you scroll down here. Remember, you are still under account at the top here. Down here, you notice you have other settings for apps and prototypes. So in this case, now you'll be able to see any third-party apps that you have allowed to link to your Etsy. In that case, you'll be seeing your pin interest there. So you're going to see a message here, what you have granted or which apps you have granted access to your Etsy store. In this case, you'll notice that you have linked your pin interest to your Etsy. So I hope this has been helpful. So simply that is how you can link up your Etsy shop to your pin interest. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.